This is Azeri Malimgas. Today, I'm going to be explaining to you the advantage and disadvantage of a computer. We all know that the computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send emails, play games, and browse the web. One of the most useful advantages of computers is able to store and access vast amounts of data which can be retrieved in the future. Also, you can store movies, pictures, songs digitally and documents on the computer, and quickly find data accordingly and share information between devices. Computers increase your productivity, and with a good understanding of the software running on them, you become more productive at everything you do. For example, once you have a basic understanding of using a word processor, you can create, store, edit, share, and print documents and letters. Some of the advantages of using a computer is it increases your productivity, connects you to the internet, can store vast amounts of information and reduce waste, helps sort, organize, and search through information, get a better understanding of data, keeps you connected, help you learn and keep you informed, and can make you money. On the other hand, the computer has also disadvantages of using it. Unfortunately, computers also have some disadvantage. These advantages include social risks. Computers provide human access to social media, which can be addictive, make people less happy, lead to jealousy, and get in the way of real-world friendship. Some of the disadvantage of using a computer is carpal tunnel and eye strain. It hurts your eye when you use it too much sitting, short attention span, and too much multitasking can limit learning and create a dependency, potential of loss of privacy, and sometimes time sink and lots of distraction. Computers are a resource. Just as there are many different writing resources and should be used as such, they are an undisputedly important tool to the writer, but you cannot complete a project with just one tool. As we have seen, computers are an exciting addition to the writing process. Thank you for watching. See ya.